Hey guys, over the years I got a lot of questions on the settings that I use for the appearance of Studio One. So today I want to do a quick short video on the settings that I'm using for the appearance, the color scheme of Studio One. Over the years I've used quite a few different Studio One looks. This is my favorite. It's bright but not overly bright. The colors are not that saturated. I like this look a lot. If we go to Studio One, Preferences and Appearance, the second tab, these are the settings that I am using. So for the hue shift, almost 300. Saturation, like I've said, I don't like bright colors. It's at minus 50. You can do something like this, but for me, it's just too fatiguing on the eye. Is just too bright. I really don't like the saturated look in Studio One. Even with the saturation at minus 100, it's really good. The luminance, it's at minus 16. You can make it white. I hate the light theme in Studio One, or you can make it really dark around here until minus 20%. It's the sweet spot. Then with the contrast, I'm at 40%. The contrast is really important when it comes to the text. You can see that if I decrease the contrast, the text gets a bit gray. This is a nice sweet spot for me. Now, when it comes to the arrangement, I like the arrangement to be bright. I don't like the dark look. The dark look is fine. It's really similar to the look of Cubase. I like having the luminance more towards the positive. 40% is quite cool. Next, you can see that the contrast is at 100%. I do it because if we go with low contrast, the waveform is not popping anymore. It's really subdued. It's not my cup of tea, so I like seeing everything that's going on the waveform. For the plugins, I like the colored and score. I don't use the score, so those are the settings. Other themes that I have used, something a bit more on the dark side, this one or this one, but this one is my favorite. This scheme that I'm using is the perfect sweet spot for me when I work a lot of hours. You can copy the settings. I hope that you enjoy the video. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.